Ever wondered how Amazon remembers your login, saved items, and even recommend products you like? It's not magic. It's cookies, cache, local storage, and sessions. Today, let's understand how Amazon uses these to improve your experience in the simplest way possible. Let's start with the cookies. Cookies are tiny files Amazon stores on your browser. They help Amazon remember who you are so that you don't have to log in every time you visit. Example: think of cookies like Amazon giving you a VIP pass. Every time you visit, Amazon checks your pass and lets you in without asking your details again. Amazon uses cookies to keep you log in, saves your language and region preferences, track what you searched for to show better recommendations. But here's the catch: Amazon also uses cookies to track what you browse and show targeted ads. That's why if you search for a laptop, you will see laptop ads everywhere. Now, let's see session. A session is Amazon's way of keeping track of your activity while you browse. It disappears when you leave the site or stay inactive for too long. Example: imagine walking into an Amazon store. A store assistant follows you around, noting the items you check out. But the moment you leave, they forgot everything. That's a session. Amazon uses session to keep you log in temporarily when browsing, tracks your cart items before checkout, stores your search history during the session. Now, how is it different from cookies? Sessions are temporary and stored on the server, while cookies stay in your browser for longer. Now, let's see local storage. Local storage is like Amazon keeping a personal locker for you on your device. So, things like your cart don't disappear. Example: imagine walking into an Amazon store and placing items in a shopping cart. Even if you leave the store and return later, your cart is still waiting for you. That's how local storage works. Amazon uses local storage to keep your cart saved even if you don't log in. Stores recently viewed products, remembers dark mode settings, and other preferences. But remember, local storage only works on the same device and browser. If you switch devices, your cart may not be saved unless you log in. Now, let's see cache. Cache is Amazon's way of storing parts of website in your browser so that it loads instantly next time. Example: imagine every time you order from Amazon, they ship from warehouse nearby instead of starting from scratch. That's what cache does. It speeds up things. Amazon uses cache to store Amazon's logo, fonts, and images on your device. Loads previously visited pages without re-downloading everything, and makes Amazon feel faster by reducing load time. So, when should we clear cache? If Amazon looks broken or an image doesn't load, clearing the cache forces it to reload everything fresh. So, too many cookies, cache, and session can slow down your browser or affect privacy, right? So, here are the steps to clear them. Just go to browser setting, find privacy and security, click clear browsing data, select cookies, cache, and sessions, and hit clear. This will help you to clear cookies, cache, and sessions from your browser. Now you know how Amazon remembers you. Pretty cool, right? If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech explanations. And tell me in the comments below, have you ever noticed Amazon showing product ads based on your search? Let's have a discussion below and see you in the next video.